Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another Holly Jolly July video. Today I have a really cute layered paper craft for you. I'm calling this one Santa's Big Job Layered Paper Craft because you've got Santa there, he is walking through the snow there, and he's got his great big sack of toys to take it to all those good boys and girls, and he's just ready to get that job done. Just a really cute paper craft. This one would be perfect on a card or in some sort of decor or shadow box. I just really love it, and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Holly Jolly July 2026. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the buttons to download the cut file on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file from my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass in the description box below. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer. Click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Resize the design. And you can see that our project has been brought into our canvas. Now I have sized this design to fit within the cutting dimensions of an 8.5 by 11 piece of cardstock. If you want to resize this to either put it on a smaller card, put it in a shadow box, or for whatever reason, you can change the size here in the sizing window. Just make sure to leave those proportions locked so you don't distort the design at all. I'm going to go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, I've gotten everything all cut out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. Now we do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these different pieces together, but from back to front, you're going to start with the yellow, green, black, the burnt orange color, whichever color you're choosing for the flesh tone, red, white, and then I even added some glitter cardstock here for the snow. Now you can add foam squares behind these if you wish. I'm just going to layer everything together. I will speed up the video just a little bit while I do that, and I'll show you what the project looks like when I'm all finished. And here is our layered paper craft. Now, full disclosure, I went back and recut this piece that I had the glitter cardstock for. I cut that out in regular white and then cut out his little cuffs on his little outfit so that that kind of pops more and kind of keeps his costume the same instead of having the glitter be part of his costume. So overall, I really think that it's a very, very cute one, and I hope that you like it. What did you think of this paper craft? I love Santa. I love his little feet going through the snow. I know that sounds weird, but it's just a really, really cute design, and I hope that you like it. If you make this project, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Holly Jolly July video. Bye-bye.